government reopening. If you guys remember the last couple of videos that I was talking about, I said I think part of the issue is the government has been shut down for now excessively too long, and the liquidity, the Treasury General account, and all that kind of stuff is starting to cause problems inside the market. And I said, first, we should look to see how the market responds when the government starts to reopen. And last Friday, we got news that the government was, that the politicians were going to start talking and negotiating, and that likely the government was going to start reopening. So we got a big move on Friday. More news about the government reopen happened over the weekend, so we got a nice move to the upside. Great. And then basically, as the government actually reopened, is when the market then turned around and continued going down. And so far, I have not seen any change in strength for tickers or anything else like that underneath. A lot of stocks are still down quite a bit. They do seem like they're getting extended or extreme to the downside, stretched to the downside, but that doesn't mean that they're ready to buy. That was one of the most common themes that I was talking about inside of the Moxie room for the last few days. Is I had a lot of people ask me like, "Hey, is this a good place to buy? Is this cheap? Is this on sale? Is this the dip buy?" And I said, "It might be. I can always say maybe, but nothing's turned. There hasn't been any change. Like the market hasn't suddenly strengthened. We don't have any catalyst. Nothing's happened. These names are still down. Like Facebook hasn't turned around or Meta hasn't turned around. Like we haven't seen the turnaround. So we don't need to go buy the dip because it could keep dipping. And so we don't really have any clues yet that a low is in.